Hello, good people. Today we have another module, Instant Case Classification for Admins. Before we begin, I request you to subscribe to the channel. The subscription button is on your bottom right on your screen. Thank you so much for subscribing. Let's continue with this module. I'll dive into the first unit. So the first unit has two learning objectives. I encourage you to read the learning objectives. Read the notes. There's a video to watch. Please watch the video. Go to your Trailhead playground so that you familiarize yourself with this module. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. True or false? The estimate assessor lets you know which estimate feature you are ready to use along with an estimated ROI for case classification handling. ROI is return on investment. This is true. True or false? Models must be activated from estimate setup page to begin showing predictions to agents. This is also true. I'll check my quiz and get it right. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned to watch free Trailhead modules. Until then, bye-bye.